Daily Current Affairs Quiz, October 28, 2022. Which institution released a list of priority fungal pathogens? 1. A. UNEP. B. WHO. C. UNFCCC. D. NASA. Correct answer. B. WHO. Notes. The World Health Organization, WHO, recently released a list of priority fungal pathogens, in response to the rising threat of invasive fungal disease. The priority list classifies 19 of the most common fungal pathogens into 3 priority tiers. The most dangerous is the critical group, which contains just 4 fungal pathogens: Cryptococcus neoformans, Aspergillus fumigatus, Candida albicans and Candida auris. As per the Portrait of Immigration to Canada report, which is the leading country of birth for recent immigration: A. Indonesia, B. India, C. China, D. Sri Lanka. 2. Show answer. Correct answer. B. India. The report titled, Portrait of Immigration to Canada, shows that Canada has a total of 8.3 million immigrants, the largest immigrant share of Canada's population ever. Asia has been the top source of immigrants to Canada, as 62% of the recent immigrant arrivals were born in Asia. 18.6% of the people come from India, which is the leading country of birth for recent immigration. Canada's immigrant population will continue to rise to 34% by 2041. Which country has launched the first inhalable vaccine against COVID? A. India, B. China, C. Japan, D. USA. 3. Show answer. Correct answer. B. China. Notes. According to the Shanghai City Administration, the free booster dose of the vaccine is being made available to those who have already had vaccinations. The needle-free vaccines are expected to increase vaccination rates in countries with weak health systems. India recently marked 30th anniversary of relations with which regional bloc? A. SAARC, B. ASEAN, C. G20, D. G8. 4. Show answer. Correct answer. B. ASEAN. Notes. The 7th ASEAN-India Ministerial Meeting on Agriculture and Forestry was held under the co-chairmanship of Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar. The progress in activities under the Medium-Term Action Plan of ASEAN-India Cooperation, year 2021–2025, was reviewed. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the Air Transport Committee, ATC, of the International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO? A. Dr. Shafali Juneja. B. Vivek Johra. C. Zubair Riaz Kamili.